Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday morning, August 23rd. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY, IWM, Triple Qs. And after all three of the indices came into balance on the daily on Friday, we are now all looking to possibly gap higher. Remember how powerful those balance rules are, much more powerful than gap rules, especially SPY, ES, Triple Qs, and even Russell. Towards the bottom of that monthly balance before they get to their March monthly low. They all held for now, and now we're attempting to gap higher. As far as reference points in SPY and ES, right now I'm just going to give you the overnights. The first upside destination would be, 445.15 is our overnight. Right now, Friday's high of 443.71 would be used as a downside destination if we continue to hold this gap prior to 9:30. And then they have their overnight low of 443. Don't forget, we went out with a price probe on Friday. And right now, possibly being accepted. Look what else is very visual. Look where we've been trading all morning so far, right? Remember A's high from the 16th? I said that was my line in the sand. That's when the market on the 16th just irrationally ripped up all afternoon to all-time highs and put in a new all-time high in the after hours. Well, since that push up and we closed all the way up there, we opened down the next day below A's high. We barely got above it. Those three time frames couldn't get above it on the 18th. We haven't seen it. Well, look where we're trading right now, back and forth through it. So again, two things. Here's your line in the sand for this morning. A is holding the gap. If you're a buyer, you'd like to do that, or certainly the price probe. And then B, acceptance above A's high from the 16th. If you get that, then eventually we will get to the top of this balance and the all-time high. As far as the game plan, well, right now the gap is just about $1. That's not a bad size, but look what we're trading against. That's a very visual level. So either now or at 9:30, if we're to open right around there, I want to see. Now, what is acceptance to me? It's not just trading above it. It's closing, say, A period above it. It's A closing above it and after A and B one time framing up. That's acceptance to me. If we just trade above it and then come back down, fill the gap, and don't get back above it, that's not acceptance. So if we were to open around that level, not looking for a call play. I don't think I'd take a put play either. I want to see it shake out. If we ought to push down immediately to shake out some of the overnight inventory, I would take a long against the gap. I would add against the price probe. Any acceptance below the price probe, I'm out on that call play, because then value, which would be higher to start, could go to overlap into higher. That's a call play. As far as a put play, if we ought to open and get above A's high from the 16th, but not be able to get any distance away from it, maybe front run the overnight high, which they have a habit of doing. Maybe take a quick put play, at least initially, against that. If, however, in B period, even if we're still holding the gap, if we take out A's low, and now we're back below the A's high from the 16th, and we haven't even gotten the overnight high, then I would take a put play to go fill that gap. Again, these are all early plays. The market paints a beautiful picture, and it evolves throughout the entire trading day. And then just quickly on the chart, just going to show you the daily for now. So sellers had the market down on Thursday. Buyers got us back into balance. Now, if we are to gap higher, we might be going back to up on the daily. The weekly would still be in balance, but the monthly's up, the weekly's in balance, and the daily's attempting to go from balance back to up. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.